Now, an all-weather tire is somewhere in the middle. They're sort of a jack of all trades and a master of none. They'll give decent performance in the summer on dry pavement. They'll give decent performance in the winter on snow and ice. The only time when they really shine is the fact that you can drive on them all year long. You don't have to change them in the spring and in the fall. So I hope I've been able to help you figure out the differences between all season, all weather, and winter tires. I know it can get a little bit confusing, but all you gotta do is call either myself, Roman, or Mike at Vicar Community Chevrolet Accessories Desk, and we can help you pick out the right tires for the road conditions, your particular driving style, and your vehicle. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook too. Vicar Community Chevrolet, where customers send their friends.